Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV, where we bring bold and authentic Filipino flavors straight to your kitchen. Today, we're cooking Batangas-Style Bopis, a rich, spicy, and flavorful dish made with finely chopped pork lungs and heart, sautéed in vinegar, spices, and chilies for that signature bold kick. If you love intense flavors and classic Filipino street-style dishes, this recipe is definitely for you. Let's get cooking! Ingredients: 1 kilogram pork lungs, 500 grams pork heart, 3 liters water for boiling, 45 milliliters vinegar, 3 tablespoons for boiling, 15 grams salt, 1 tablespoon, 6 cloves garlic, 20 grams, minced, 2 medium onions, 150 grams, finely chopped, 40 grams ginger, 2 thumb-size, minced, 45 milliliters cooking oil, 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters annatto oil, 3 tablespoons, 90 to 105 milliliters vinegar, 6 to 7 tablespoons, 30 to 45 milliliters soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons, 15 milliliters fish sauce, 1 tablespoon, 240 milliliters water, 1 cup, 4 to 5 bay leaves, 1½ teaspoon ground black pepper, 3 grams, 6 to 10 bird's eye chilies, 200 to 300 grams radish, labanos, small diced, 1 to 2 red bell peppers, 150 to 200 grams, julienne, thin strips. Procedure: in a pot, combine pork lungs and heart, 3 liters water, 45 milliliters vinegar, 15 grams salt. Boil for 30 to 40 minutes. Skim off impurities, scum. Remove and let cool. Discard the boiling liquid. Cut into small, uniform pieces, 0.5 cm. This is the signature texture of Bopis. Heat cooking oil and annatto oil. Sauté garlic, onion, ginger. Add chopped lungs and heart. Sauté for 5 to 7 minutes. Add soy sauce, fish sauce, vinegar, do not stir yet. One cup water. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes before stirring. This keeps the vinegar flavor strong. Add bay leaves, black pepper, chilies. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes until slightly dry and oily. Add diced radish. cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Tender but still slightly firm. Add red bell pepper. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes only. And there you have it, our Batangas-Style Bopis, spicy, savory, and packed with bold Filipino flavor, only here on Sangkap Sarap TV. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic Filipino dishes you can easily cook at home. Comment below what recipe you want to see next. Your suggestion might be featured in our next video. Thanks for watching Sangkap Sarap TV. See you in the next recipe, and happy cooking!